Hello, I'm attorney mediator Belinda Rackman, and many people ask me, how do I start my divorce? Well, the very first step is for the two of you to decide who's going to be the petitioner and who's going to be the respondent. So what does that mean? There are two roles in a divorce. The person who files the case to begin with is called the petitioner. The other person is called the respondent. Somebody's got to sign the papers that are taken to the court to start the divorce. So then the next question is, well, what's the difference between being one or the other? And the court does not look at one role as right, wrong, good, bad. It's nothing like that. Like everything in life, it seems like it comes down to the finances. So the petitioner is the person whose filing fee has been paid. If you get a default divorce by working with a mediator or coming to an agreement between the two of you, then the respondent need never file their first paper fee, and the petitioner is the only one who's paid a fee. So when I started over 21 years ago, the filing fee was around $90. Well, as of January of 2018 in San Diego County, they haven't announced a fee raise, and so it's still $435 to file a case. If for some reason, years from now, the respondent needed to go to court and file a motion on their own, the filing fee would no longer be $435. It would be more than that. So that's really the only difference between petitioner and respondent, is that one person's fees have been paid at a known amount, and the other person's fees may never be paid. My clients who are working together in mediation don't go to court in the future because I build a lot of back doors to keep them out of court and resolve their issues in other ways. So they don't ever have to go to court to file a second fee. But for other people who aren't doing mediation, or maybe something flares up in the future and they go to court, the petitioner's fee will be lower than the respondent's fee. But that's the only difference. You could flip a coin and decide who's going to be in what role that way. Or if one person has a stable address and the other person doesn't, then the person with the stable address should be the petitioner. Because right now it takes about a year from the time you file your case until you get your paperwork back from the court saying that you're divorced. Anyway, if you have any other questions, please contact me.